Hey, Scott Laird, the cruisegenius.com, president of Military Affairs, F-A-R-E-S, militaraffairs.com, your one-stop shop for travel. If you're a member of the military, if you're a veteran like I am, or a family member of a military person, militaraffairs.com, MCO Reserve. Do you remember a couple of weeks ago I told you I was flying out of Orlando, MCO, to go to, where'd I go? I went to Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic to the Palladium Hotel Group, and I reported on the family selection. And I had a great time, a great facility, great place, loved it. Family selection. Well, very soon I'm going to be flying again out of Orlando, but this time I'm going to one of my favorite places, Cancun. And of course, I'm taking a carry-on. You really don't want to pack luggage going into Cancun because it can take a while to get it. Now, some very close friends of mine went to Cancun about a week ago, and they said that the luggage was right there on the carousel as they came off. They went through immigration quick, so that was good to hear. But I'm just going to do a carry-on. I'm only going to be down there for a couple days. But MCO Reserve, I did that last time, and I'm going to do it again. What is it? 1 week before you fly out of Orlando, you go on this MCO Reserve, and you can pick a time, 15 minutes each way. So let's say you want to go through at 10:30 a.m., you can go there at 10:15 or all the way to 10:45, a 30-minute window, on a 15-minute on each side, to go through MCO Reserve. And boy, you would think you'd fly right through, and you're looking to your left at that long line, and here you are at MCO Reserve. Now, you have to understand that JetBlue, I think it flies out of Terminal C, so there's not a whole lot of people over there. Now, maybe MCO Reserve is better at the other terminals that are busier, but at Terminal C, there weren't a whole lot of people there in the first place. And so MCO Reserve was no better than TSA PreCheck or Clear or anything. So I was kind of like, man, I was disappointed. But we're going to try it again. I'm going to be flying out on a Monday, let's put it that way, at around 1:30. So we'll see how busy it is over there in Terminal C with JetBlue. I will also say that for some reason, I'm blonde and I don't have a gallbladder. I forgot my passport up there at the front there, so I had to go back there and get my passport. I don't know why I forgot it, but I'll do better this time. But the gate was quite a distance away from TSA through security, so don't forget your passport. Now, you want to talk about JetBlue? I'm going to be flying JetBlue again, and I told this story already, but I'll tell it again. When you buy your JetBlue ticket, you can get a more costly plan, rate, fare, where you get to pick your seats, right? Well, I didn't get the more costly fare. What I did is I got a cheap fare, and then I paid extra for the seats on my last flight. And I was like in 16D. Well, my son-in-law chose not to pay extra for the seat, and he just went up to the gate an hour before we were going to leave. Hey, I didn't. And they put him in 6D. So that would have been an $89 seat. And so I was upset. But on the way back, he did the same thing. He didn't buy a seat. And he was actually behind me, like in 25 something. But he had the whole row to himself, and I had the whole row to myself. That being said, JetBlue, shame on you that in some cases, if you don't buy a seat, there's a chance you're going to be up in the front of the bus. Now, why is it important to be in front of the bus? Because if you're like me, you can't stand it, man, when people are slow as molasses getting off that plane. And open the thing slow and get the thing slow and walk slow, especially after that door's open, right? I mean, it's just like slow as, come on, let's go. God bless, I mean, if there was ever an accident or a problem on a plane, I mean, I hope they wouldn't take forever getting down the slides. But that being said, I wasn't happy with JetBlue. Now, I tweeted JetBlue and complained about it. Well, several fake JetBlue service Twitter accounts responded to my tweet saying how upset I was. And they wanted me to call a WhatsApp number and sign up with some kind of foreign banking entity like a Venmo or like a PayPal. They were going to reimburse me for my problems. Well, be careful of that. If you tweet like I do, and especially if you tweet Wells Fargo, Bank of America, JetBlue, Delta, and complaining about something, you may get a response from a fake Twitter account. So be mindful of that. So stay tuned to thecruisegenius.com, militaryfairs.com, as I'm going to be reporting from Cancun, a resort down there. Stay tuned. It's going to be amazing, family friendly. Huge Jungala water park, Cirque du Soleil. It's going to be amazing. Is MCO Reserve good? I'd say yes. If you want to do it, book it ahead of time. You're rolling the dice. It may be quicker, it may not be, but why not? Especially because it's free and you don't have to do TSA pre-check and you don't have to do choice, which costs money. Check them out, MCO Reserve. Scott Lair, thecruisegenius.com, president of militaryfairs.com. And if you're looking to travel, militaryfairs, FARES.com.